Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 2 minutes. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I will be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. I have an order at 48 for a call contract. In there at 48. And out there for a very quick $50 move. I am doing options. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. And it'll walk you through with the terminology, how they all work. Don't be intimidated. I know sometimes people are intimidated by them, but they can be made very complicated, but they don't have to be. And I approach them in a more of a simple way. So if that's how you like to approach things, like I said, just comment below option guide. If you're not familiar with my screen, and I realize that trade happened super fast, I entered it in an order right there at 48. That was white. As soon as it turned green, that means I bought. And then I threw another order out there, and that order right here, for just a small amount of time, was also white. But then it turned green very quickly because I was able to sell very quickly. So if you scroll back, you'll notice that that was $50 in basically, I think, like a second, maybe 2 seconds at most. So again, it happened in the blink of an eye, which is why I wanted to explain things. But yeah, options, that's one of the benefits is this is what I like to call sniper shots. I have a variety of strategies, but with a sniper shot strategy, you saw right there, just a sniper in and out in, we'll call it 2 seconds for $50. So if this thing wants to pull back some more, I'll be ready for it. But for now, I will pause. I have an order at 40.50. No, I think I can get better than that. 39.70 instead. Now I'm going for a put. All right, I will pause. I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 44.70 here for a call. So price needs to come down just a bit more. All right, I'll keep a close eye on it. All right, gonna go for call here at 45.50. That's what I get for not waiting. See what it wants to do. So $50 on that one. Would have been a, well, I'd have to go back. I think I would have gotten filled at my original spot that I was trying to get filled at, but I wasn't patient enough. So got a less than satisfactory fill. Not a terrible fill to the part where I needed to, take a loss or anything like that. But had I just been a little bit more patient, I would have gotten that much better of an entry point, and probably could have gotten more than a $50 sniper shot. Still worked out, but like I said, just to hold myself accountable, I am next interested at that yellow line. So if I'm buying a call before that yellow line, then I'm officially breaking the rule. So you'll have to hold me accountable. Granted, I mean, a new formation takes place, but I'd like to see this come down there relatively quickly, and I'd certainly be interested at that spot. But so 2 quick trades, up $100. Let's see if the price can drop down to that yellow line right around the 528.20 mark. Have an order at 41.70. Did not get it. That's what I wanted. I wanted it on that move. Maybe I still try it again. Let's see how once it puts around here. Oh, it's close. But close is not good enough. All right, I'll pause, keep a close eye on it. All right, I'm going to adjust this up to 42 here on the put. Oh, never mind. That fast. Down it dropped. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to go for a put here at 42. How did I not get filled? All right, well, let's adjust then. We'll try now at up around that blue line. $40.20, throw the order out there. We'll see if I can get a move up to that area. Getting some good movement. Needs to come up a bit more. Might be slightly up above that purple line, but that's okay. Again, the number I'm watching is over here. I want to see this number come down to 40.20, then go slightly below it, because when it goes below it, that'll mean I'll be able to buy and that white order will turn green. So that is the order I'm watching, or the number I'm watching, excuse me. I'll pause, and if it looks like I'm going to get filled, I'll get the video rolling. Maybe. That was close. All right, I'll pause. All right, I'm going to try here at 40.50, I think. Let me just watch here. Yep, 40.50. Nope, tad bit slow. You can see it's starting to come down. What is that up there? Yeah, I'm going to have to adjust now to that blue line. All right, I'll pause. Back at 40.50 now. Wow, I don't like how it's just not, that just doesn't feel right. And the problem is, or at least the perceived problem is, if I get filled at 40.50, that basically means that a breakout, an upwards move is occurring. And I don't want to be buying right as a new movement is occurring, because it keeps stopping at 40.50. And that's just not where I'm looking to actually buy at. See what I mean? So how it would have been filled now, but this upwards move continues here. So we're going to go to 38.70 here. Now, it may have still been okay. And it looking like in hindsight, I would have been okay. But it's just still not the exact area that I'm looking to actually get filled. So I've adjusted my order now to 38.70. And we'll see how it goes, but I'll pause. Have an order at 37.70 here for a put. If you watch over in the level 2s, you'll see that once again it got close, but did not fill me. You'll see this number drop down. I think it showed up as 37.70. So starting to become a much tougher fill here. All right, I will, at this point, I might just wait until I get filled so we don't keep having these false alarms. So I'll pause and I'll wait until I get filled, and then I'll get the video rolling. All right, going to go for a put here at 47.20. Nope, again. I don't know, maybe I just call it a day. This is kind of ridiculous here. All right. I guess I did say I'd pause and wait until I get filled. Bad habit. I'll pause. All right, going to go for a call here at 41.50. Whoops, I said I wouldn't do this until I got filled, huh? Never sorry about that. Again, bad habit. I'll pause. I'm in at 38.70 for a call. And out for $50. Very good. Gonna go to 37.70 now. And we'll try for another one. I will go ahead and pause. All right, gonna go for put here at 41. All right, hesitated again. Oh, sorry. Sorry, bad habit. I'll wait until I get filled. I'll pause. All right, well, I am going to go ahead and call it good. And it was what I would say a failed day in the sense of did not hit my goal. It's almost noon, so I've gone over my time. Usually I like to be worst case done at 11:30 Eastern, which is 2 hours. So now it's 2.5 hours. So I guess I've technically failed in two regards. I've gone quite a bit over what I ideally want to be done at. And I'd like to make at minimum $100 an hour. So in other words, if I'm in front of my computer for 2 hours, I want to be up at bare minimum $200. And today with up 150. So I mean, just, I don't know, what does it come out to for you math geniuses, like $65 an hour maybe, because it's 2.5 now. So I mean, and I don't want to come across as greedy or anything like that. I'm just saying that from a goal perspective, it was a failure. Did not quite hit what I want to do and what I'm aiming to do. But you know what, that happens. It got pretty tricky to get filled, and just kind of slow action that just is kind of grindy. And yeah, in hindsight, well, I should have just bought right there and held. But okay, cool story in hindsight, but that's not quite how the market works. But so that's all I have for you. So maybe I'll name that just a failed goal. Didn't hit it today, but overall, I'll still be grateful that I'm green. But still, nonetheless, obviously, it's always encouraging to hit your goals as opposed to not hit them. But that's just how it goes some days. Better than paying the market, right? If you have a red day, then technically speaking, you are paying the market for your time, which definitely not the ideal situation. So it is what it is. But if you appreciate these videos, if you enjoy the live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a simple comment below. And if you want to learn more, then stick around, because as soon as this video ends, I'm going to talk about a free class that I offer. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.